everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show the items that I've got from Takashi Murakami and an MLB collaboration. So I believe this was launched last March of this year, 2025, and I was very excited for this collaboration because our family is a big Dodgers fan. So definitely this one is perfect collector's pieces. So I just did this video. I could have done the video a long time ago, but because a lot of the items were still back ordered, we're still waiting for it. So anyway, so these are some of my items. Well, I have already distributed some of the items last March. Those are their gifts, their presents, and some of these are still I purchased it for Christmas. So anyway, let me start with this shirt right here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shirts right here, and this one right here, this is my favorite. So this is the blue color, and I have already worn this when I went to Louis Vuitton when they released the cherry blossoms right here. And it says right here on the side, this is the Tokyo series. All right, and then we have Dodgers right there, and this one is screen printed with the cherry blossoms. Very nice, and it says right there TM/KK. So Takashi Murakami, Kai Kiki, that is his company, and you get to see all of the logo on all of his artwork. All right, so this is it's just an ordinary shirt really, but the only difference, it has those lovely print. So it says right there the logo Nike, and then another one right here as well, and then nothing at the back, and then and it is just says, it says right there Nike. So yeah, I have several of these, and I also have the black as well. This one is it says at the back show Otani at the back, and I have the size small because I am size small. And yeah, even though this one is small, it's still a little bit like, you know, plenty of room on this one. I mean, it's a little, it's actually, this one runs big, so just so you know. So I have here, and then the other design for blue, it's just LA right here. Okay, this one is also in a size small. I haven't worn this. I haven't even taken out from the plastic right there. So it is similar to the blue ones, but this one says Dodgers and the other one says LA. Okay, and then this one says Dodgers, LA. So I don't know, for some reason I like the LA the LA logo better than the word Dodgers. So anyway, so these are the shirts. I believe, I'm not really 100% sure, this one is around $60, but this, the black Otani ones, this is $75. It's a little bit pricey for a shirt, but then again, it is a collaboration. So what else do we have here? So this is a charm, a beautiful key charm. So it says right there LA. So this is for the Dodgers, and they also have, oh, the Cubs. So that one, I missed that one, and that is the first one that were sold out. And it is a little bit difficult when I purchased this. So overall, I paid almost probably $100 for shipping because I have to place multiple orders, and then the same thing, they have to on the website, they have to place it online. You have to wait. It's like, it was a mess actually. So this is the keychain. It's so cute. I have not used this one yet. And then we also have here the baseball. So this is right here, the Cubs. Right here. This is more like a souvenir. It's very nice. The flowers around it. Right there. The flag of Japan. And yeah, this is how it looks. And it says right here at the back, it's right here, Takashi Murakami joins MLB to create the limited edition baseball for the MLB Tokyo series, celebrating Japan's rich culture and the universal love for the sport, a one-of-a-kind fusion of art and sport. Right there. And then this is for the Dodgers. This one is my favorite. So cute. I haven't opened any of these. Like, seriously. Let me open this so we could see the detail of the ball. And right here. And yeah, this one is distributed by Rawlings. And then it says right there, Tokyo Series 2025, Dodgers. Right here, there's some sort of like overlapping like paint in it. I don't know. So this one, this is a very nice. This is a lovely collector's piece. Right here. Wow. This one is, I love it. This is so lovely. Wow. So cute. Very nice. All right. And then, yeah, it's similar in the other one, the Cubs. The reason why I purchased this, that's because, yeah, I just wanted to put this in display as part of the Murakami collection. And then, what else do we have here? I have here the stadium bag. So this one, I have already worn this and it's okay. I think I paid, I'm not really sure how much I paid for this, but for the material that they used, I wasn't very impressed. And the only thing that's nice about this is the print. I've purchased several of these and I've kept two. And I'm going to show you how I used it. So this is how it looks right here. Yeah, the material, the plastic seems to be very flimsy. So I have several stadium bag and they're not as flimsy as this. They're very sturdy and I love it. It's very durable. And this one is on the flimsier side. And this one is lined, the piping is lined with nylon and also with the strap as well. Right here on the corner, the logo, Takashi Murakami trademark. And then it says right here, this is the, right there, the stickers. It says this one is genuine and made in PRC. PRC. I think it says People's Republic of China. So they didn't put China there, they put PRC. That's very interesting. So anyway, this is how I used it. So inside I have my Louis Vuitton Kirigami pochette. So I have all three pouches in there. And they look pretty though. They look very, very nice. That's because they are colorful. So right here, those three. So I put my phone right here in the bigger pouch. And then my wallet over here. So, and the nice thing about this bag, it's the print is not on the outside, it's in the inside. So basically, well, I don't think this would peel, But I like the idea that the print was right here. It's actually done inside. Very nice. It looks very nice. It's stunning. Right there, all the logos for the Tokyo series. At the back as well, it is the same. On the side, there is no logo at the side. Alright, so that's the stadium bag. I'm not sure if they have it for the Cubs. I'm not 100% sure, because when I placed an order online, a lot of those items, like when it's your turn to check out, if one of the items were sold out, you have to start all over again, and that was the annoying part. So anyway, moving on, I have the baseball cap in here. So this one, obviously, it's in LA Dodgers right here. And then the flowers, the cherry blossom flowers, these are embroidered. Look at that, it's so pretty. I love the embroidery. And I think this one is around, I'm not really sure, maybe I paid $60 for this, and I think this one is definitely worth it. Right here, this logo. I think this one is, yeah, this one is, the closure for this is like strap back. Yeah, so this is the strap, and we could just pull it like that. I'm not sure. So I think this is the strap back right there. So you could adjust it. Very nice. I love it. I mean, the flowers stood out against the black, and then we have an LA right here. Next, this is the blue one. And wow, for some reason, this one is, the color blue is deep blue color. And the flowers really stood out. And of course, it's similar to the black. And yeah, the placement of the cherry blossoms are pretty much the same. Right here, on this side, at the back. Wow, this is so pretty. And then this one is the snap back right here. And then this one is made up of plastic right here. And then the Tokyo series of 2025. This is how it looks inside. Right here, it says one size fits most. Very nice. I'm not sure, but this one is, I like this one because it's more sturdy compared to the black one. So anyway, these are the items that I've got from the Takashi Murakami and the MLB Tokyo series collection. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.